Hi guys, it is Dale, and I am here today to talk to you about the cost of getting started. And this is the Pod Mod edition. Alright, so there are two types of Pod Mods. There's the refillable kind and the pre-filled kind. Now, just as the names state, the pre-filled already have juice in them. You cannot remove the juice and you cannot refill the pre-filled pods. Now, the refillable Pod Mods, just like in the name, you can refill them. You would buy them and they would be empty, and then you would put juice within them, vape it until it's gone, and then refill them up with whatever juice you please. Bam! The average cost is around $20 to $25, depending on which type of Pod Mod you choose. The biggest thing to consider when choosing a Pod Mod is the pods themselves. Now, they have the pre-filled pods, also known as disposables. They do have juice within them and the battery is fully charged once you receive it. Now, whenever you've gone through the battery life, there is a light on there that'll blink at you and tell you that the life of it is over, and you just throw it away. Now, for the refillable Pod Mods, you would take the pod and refill it with whatever juice you please. They can accept Nick salts and regular e-juice. Now, once that is done, you would just pop it all back into place and it's good to go. But you will have to change the pods or the coils within those, and you will have to recharge that battery. But they will last a lot longer than the disposable ones. Now, the key takeaways to these two types of pods is that for the disposable or pre-filled, you will have to continue to buy the system over and over and over again because they are disposable. Now, as for the refillable pod systems, you will keep that system. You will just recharge that battery, and all you would have to purchase are new pods or coils and e-liquid to put within them. Now, as far as Pod Mods go, in my personal preference, I go back and forth between disposables and refillables. Now, this is because I like the disposables whenever I'm on a road trip or whenever I'm going somewhere for the weekend. It makes it very simple. I don't have to carry around bottles and bottles of juice or extra coils or a charger with me. Now, I also like the refillable ones because I can put whatever juice I want to in there. It can either be Nick salts or regular liquid. And I can recharge that battery. Yeah, so it is going to be up to you and your lifestyle and what you are looking for. Now, if you have any more questions about the cost of getting started with Pod Mods or know someone who does, please head over to VapeWild.com and contact our customer service team through there. They are amazing and will be able to answer any question that you have and help you on your vaping journey. Now, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Hit that little share button and share it to any new vapor or any vapor that would like to get started with Pod Mods. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have a question you think I could answer. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.